Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm so happy to show you the body I'm going to use in the upcoming RC Rally season. If you follow my channel you know that each year I used to make a video before the first race where I used to present the body, the chassis and so on that I'm going to use in the whole RC Rally season. This year is a bit different because my car is not ready yet. Tomorrow I'm going to meet my friend Michał and we'll try to complete everything. But also there's a story behind this livery that you see here that's worth to share. Before starting with the video, as usual, a reminder to leave a like and subscribe in order to support my channel. And also I have a news that's going to, let's say, be useful for us, to all the people that are part of the RC Rally community, especially here in Europe. Let me thank the sponsor of today's video, Tux. Tux is a guy from Czech Republic. He has created an extremely special and fast RC Rally car. He has his own RC Rally team, and from today he has an online shop. What's interesting about this shop is that, just to give you an example, you can find these tires, Deepin tires. They are made in Czech Republic. I used to buy them each time that I was going to race there, but now they are available on his online shop within European Union. This shop is very nice because it's created mostly for RC Rally drivers. It's in various languages and you can find things that really matter for RC Rally. Just to give you an example, in RC Rally we use differential oil gradation between 1000 and max 10,000, and there you find exactly what you need. So if you have to buy differential oil, parts for X-ray conversion, so the Tux conversion and so on, you can find everything on his website. It's a quite new shop, will grow during the next months, we'll have Tamiya parts and so on. So I invite you to take a look. I leave the link to the shop in the description of this video, and also if you have questions about Tux, his shop and so on, just leave a comment under this video. So the livery that you see in this body is so special because it's not made by me. There's a guy from Spain, extremely talented. I follow him on his social pages. He is able to create amazing liveries for RC Rally car, and a few months ago I casually contacted him requesting a livery for myself. All the things that he do are for himself or his close friends. He is not his, let's say, job to make livery for other people, but he made an exception for me, and I'm extremely grateful. So I sent him this body a few months ago. He refused any, let's say, of my suggestion. I had just to trust him, and he delivered this amazing work. I've been a bit anxious and, let's say, nervous because I didn't know what to expect, and I'm so happy to present you the next body that I'm going to use in the upcoming RC Rally season. Kina team on his social pages did an amazing work. I chose to use for this year this Ford Focus from HPI because it's 200 millimeters large and the proportions are very nice, and also this body is lightweight, just 100 grams. Meanwhile, the Lancia Delta that I was using last year from Tamiya, 130 grams and much narrower, 195 millimeters narrower. And for this year I want to have my RC Rally car a bit larger to increase the stability in off-road stages, because last year with this narrow setup I had the feeling that I was limited in the off-road stages because this time I was trying to push in fast corners. I had rollovers. Taking a closer look to this body painted by Akina team, he inspired himself with the Ford Focus driven by Colin McRae. Also we can see the predominant color green, white and red, which is the color of the Italian flag. If you don't know, I'm Italian, have Polish origins too, and Pedro did an amazing job. The blue colors that he has created for this body are something amazing. I'm pretty sure that this body will shine under the sun. And also, the thing that I like the most are the comments that you can see around. Welcome back, my friend, grandissimo Dario, dobra Izda. These are the comments that he took from my videos here on YouTube and add a bigger meaning to this RC body. Why I'm filming this video after 3 years here on YouTube? I always remember that behind this camera there are people from all around the world that enjoy my YouTube channel, which is not about creating a show, which is not about, let's say, I don't know, being entertaining. I just turn on the camera and share my RC Rally journey, trying to be helpful and to help the RC Rally community or all the people that are curious about RC Rally. So again, thank you for being aboard together with me. And each time I'm going to put this car on the starting line on each stage of this season, it will be, let's say, a reminder that in a way we are all together racing and enjoying this passion for RC Rally. And thank you again for your support. Thanks by your support, by your likes, comments, and so on. As you know, I've been able to, from this year, to have a technical sponsor, Coyote, and they provide me all the electronics. I'm going to use their ESC. It's extremely lightweight, just 50 grams, a 13.5 T motor, the battery 4600 milliamperes, everything chosen in order to have components that I need, but also to distribute the weight in the best possible way. So it's everything in front of us. If you are wondering about the spoiler of this RC body is coming, and also other things that Akina team did. We have some rally details, like the number, the one used by Colin McRae. And also don't forget to enjoy a quote from a rally driver that passed a few years ago during winter testing. So Pedro, you did an amazing job. I'm so happy that you accepted to give me your help for this new RC Rally body, and I will do my best to have a lot of podiums to make, let's say, this body shine in the RC rallies around Europe. So it's all for today's video. I hope that in the nearest future I will be able to make again videos useful for the community, like the best RC Rally cars that are available, which start to use, and so on, because lately I was not able to, let's say, create such content, because yes, my YouTube channel is about, let's say, my RC Rally career, but most importantly is about, let's say, sharing my knowledge and to make RC Rally easier for everyone. Okay, so thank you for staying with me and see you on next video. Ciao!